mwebale kubeera balamu, mwebale kuyonja ngalo, mwebale kwambala masks. Katonda abakuumye ate eyo gye muli. Sarah Henza wammwe nga bulijjo. Thanks for the follow up. Mwebale kunjagala. Actually, I'm wondering what's wrong with some Ugandans. Omuntu avaayo n'ayogera ku kintu, omulala n'avaayo n'akyusakyusa ebigambo. Actually, before I even go there is this issue burning about Sheila Gashumba and Tina. And then I get a message in my inbox, ng'omuntu awangamba, mbu Sarah Henza, simanyanga Sheila Gashumba, you want Frank Gashumba to marry you, so you should quickly respond to the situation and save your stepdaughter. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with some Ugandans? Omuntu ayogera ekintu omulala navayo nakyusakyusa. But before even I go there, kukyusakyusa ebigambo, because I know that's how some of the Africans behave, if not most of you. Sheila Gashumba is right. I mean, why would someone get out natandika okulinyirira erinnya lyo in the names of doing simanyanga a TV show? Why would someone go out natandika okulinyirira erinnya lyo? There are so many TV shows going on nga zikola gossip nga zoogera ku bantu. Tewaliwo muntu avumirira muntu mulala nga Tina wakola. I mean, we've known Sheila Gashumba before even Tina. Sheila Gashumba twamumanya ng'akyali mwana muto. Kati neewuunya omuntu avaayo ate n'atandika